Hello, now we will start the tutorial adding and editing labels. Adding labels in group, exercise 1. So we need to choose the folder labels to A. Yeah, so click Home tab, create design panel and alignment. So after that, you put the object, create alignment from objects, right? On the command line, enter X to select the XREF, or you can just click there. And after that, you just click in the blue point line. There you go. And now press enter twice, so you see the box. And okay, the dialog box, you need to change the name. This West Street. And ensure that the proposal is selected. Yeah, there you go. From the alignment label set list, select major and minor. So there you go, geometric points. All right. Yep. Now we'll click here in the arrow and cut current selection. So yeah, for the name and informations will change, and now we need to put major and minor stations and start and max. All right, and on the labels tab, in geometry points, we'll click in style column and click in this side. So here you change for alignment start. Just press OK. And now in geometry points row, you can also see these 3 points in the final of the column. And now you clean all the boxes and just select the alignment beginning. All right, so just OK. And now you will add a new type parameter, so you just need to put geometry points and alignment end. After that, we'll click add, and it'll be the same thing, just take all the be all clear checkbox, and after that you click and select alignment and checkbox. So the second one, okay, just press OK. Is everything fine? Perfect. So go. You can see here. Oh, yeah. So we can just change this in a good way. Click in alignment tab. So we just click here. And in alignment tab, we put in modify panel and reverse direction. So yeah, you can change here. And also when you change again, you can see that is here. So if you change, you can see that this one goes to down or can just change the side. All right. So now we'll do a drawing. So select the West Street alignment, right click. That is this one, is already selected. Right click and add the alignments labels. All right. In alignment dialog box, we put the geometry points and perpendicular with the line, and click add. And now we'll clean the checkbox, and we will just select the tangent intersect, tangent curve intersect, and curve tangent intersect. All right, just okay. So you can see the difference, and just as to leave the command. Now we'll click in Annotate tab and Labels and Tables panel, add labels, alignment, add to station labels. Click in the main street alignment, that is the big one that you can see here. So you just click there, and now we'll put the types, so geometry points, again, the same here, and click add. Just okay this time. And the lemma again, we will follow another parameter, so we need to put design speeds, and here station over speed, download choice. Click add again. Perfect. So now, okay, you can see that we have labels here and also in the main stream. Go. Now we'll go to the second exercise, manually labeling an object. So yeah, you continue with the same exercise that you made before. Labels to A with the modifications that you made previous. So now you click Annotate tab and Labels and Tables panel. And there you go. Add Labels menu and Alignment, add Alignment Labels. In the Add Labels dialog box, specify the following parameters: alignment and label type will be multiple segment. There you go. In the three label style fields, accept the default choices. So now we need to find the three labels. Okay, perfect. So now we click add. And on the left hand side of the site, click the West Street alignment, which is created in exercise 1. So yeah, there you go, click here. And you can see multiple segment label command places in the middle of each line and curve. So now we'll go to label single alignment segments. So in the add labels dialog, specify the following parameters: filter alignment, single segment, and line label style. We'll choose alignment name. Okay, click add. And now we are ready to choose a specific location for a label on the alignment. Unlike multiple segment labels, single labels are exactly. So on the West Street alignment, click near to station 0 plus 120. Yeah, there you go, West Street. So you can see the name. Be sure that you click in alignment, not the station label. Alright. On the Main Street alignment, which is the long alignment in the middle of the site, click a location between stations 0 plus 140 and 0 plus 160. So there you go. Click between this Main Street. Perfect. On the East Street alignment, which is the alignment with cul-de-sac on the right hand, so we can see the other side. I think it's this one. Click a location between station 0 plus 200 and 0 plus 220. There you go. Yeah, East Street. Perfect. So in the Add Labels dialog box, in the Line Label Style, select Line Label Style bearing over distance. This one. Click Add. And on the Main Street alignment, click a location between station 0 plus 100 and 0 plus 120. So we're going to the Main Street. Probably it's here. We go. Now we'll be examining label settings for other object on the Add Labels dialog box. In the Feature list, there you go. Select parcel. And in the Add Labels dialog box, click Close. But when you select that, the selection changes the label type and style selections that are available. So we can switch the type of object we are labeling. As well, we can type and style of the various elements as a need. And in the label, just click Close. And there you go. Now we have the labels here and some changes. Now we will start exercise 3, selecting and moving labels. So this exercise continues from exercise 2, and we can just keep with the labels 2A with all the modifications that we made, or we can just choose the labels 2B, so we can have all the things here. And yeah, the first step, you just need to make sure that you are zoomed in the area around the West Street. And so be to select the alignment, and yeah, so we can see the groups here, and that is selected. Press Ask, so we can just leave the selection. And other road alignment, click one of the stations label. So in the road alignment, click in the road alignment, that is this one label. Yep. We can see that is all highlighted. You see, not this one. But if you click here, you can see that always highlighted. Perfect. And now we can just leave there. Click one of the curve labels. So we can click here, or here. Yes, so you can see that we can select. There are two distinct labeled object types, label type grounds and single-lipped objects. And okay, now we move labels in the drawing. Click the label showing bearing over distance near station 0 plus 100. Groups appear on the label. So we will click in 0 plus 100. There you go. All right, so click here, the blue label location group. The group turns red, and drag the label to the left, move it to a clear location. Click to place the label, press S to display the label. So yeah, there you go. We can just put here, ask. So yeah, you can see better than this space because here was everything together. And now click the West Street label, groups appeared in the label. Yep. And click in the label Unsure grip, that is this one. The grip turns red, so drag the label to the right. Click near to station 0 plus 100. So yeah, you can put here. Alright, so it's the same thing, just click and S to select the label. Perfect, there you go. Now we pan and zoom to the cul-de-sac of the West Street alignment. So yeah, pan and zoom. So you can see all the things here. And there you go. We can see the alignment. Use the grips to drag each curve label away from the alignment. So yeah, we can just move this one. This one, remove the curve. So you can click the label and just push this and this and sorry, let's come back to this and just get these ones and push here. Yeah, now you can see better than the other things, and also we can just push this here. There you go. Click the grip to grip turns red, drag the label, so it's what we did. So now you can see much better all the information here, and you can make this with everything. So yeah, you can just push here, you can just put there and make what suits better for you. So we just did press ask because when you select to come back, just ask. And if we click in the control click station label 0 plus 0, 0, 0 and press delete. So we just need to find the station. Yeah, there you go. This one, sorry. So we'll click control click and just press delete. Yeah, that's it. So we delete and we can repeat these operations, moving and dragging labels and to the other locations. So right click and reset the label and you can move all the labels. Now we'll select labels in a XREF. So click one of the station's labels on the Main Street alignment. The Main Street alignment is this one. So when we click, you can notice that both the Main Street and East Street alignments and their stations label are selected. So you can see here, they are selected. The labels were selected because the labels were created in externally referenced drawing in which the alignment reside. So we just need to press to delete XREF. Yeah, there you go. Good. Now we'll start the exercise 4, working with label and properties. And you just continue with the exercise 3. So in the command line under list, so here the command line, we'll put list, the first one, enter. And now they ask to select on the West Street alignment, click station label and a bearing over distance label, press enter. So you can click a station number and Pairing over distance label. Okay. There you go. You can see the text window appears, displaying the objective type and label type. So you can just hold here. Yeah, so you can see some of the things. All right. So alignment is the object type. Station label indicates that is a station label object. Group indicates that the label object is a part of the label group. So now we can just close AutoCAD text window. That is, yep, this one, this one, this one. Okay, just ask. And okay, change the style of single label. Click to the curve label near station 0 plus 040. Okay, I think it's this one. Clicking properties. Let's check this one. Properties and annotations. Change the curve label. You can see all the properties here. I think it's this one. All right. Yeah. This one is the curve label. So here, there you go. We just change this to design data and just press S to select the label. So you can see all the information is new here. Now we'll click the station here, and all stations labels are highlighted, indicating that they are part of a label group. So right click and properties. In the properties palette, under labeling, change the major station label style to perpendicular with think. So in labeling, there you go. Change the major style here, perpendicular with thick. There you go. You can see the difference and just ask. Now we'll flip a label to opposite side on the alignment. So control click geometry point label, and we just need to find the label that is this one. PC 0 plus 018.54. So we just control click here. When you give a control click, you just select one of the labels. So in the properties palette, examine the properties that are available. Under general, yeah, change the flipped property to true. Now it stops, true. There you go. Close the palette properties. Now we'll close here and just ask. And the alignment labels with modified properties. So yeah, you can see that we move here and we put more informations here. We also move the labels here. So we can move all these things in an easy way.